get everything we need here to finish our head. So we got our head, we got the mouth, which we have to work on to adjust it so it'll open and close. We got the back of the head here that's sanded down. We're going to use these for the ears, which are going to go in here, and we'll attach them with a 1-inch screw and glue it. We're using these acrylic eyes. They're half round, they're 1 inch. These are inch eyes that we're going to use. We have our horns that are made, and the horns are going to go on the side here, which I have to cut down yet to fit. We have a 1-inch hinge that we're going to use, and the hinge and this block goes on the back of the mouth here, like that, and then the hinge will go on here, and that is going to be so we can open and close the mouth. And then we'll use these 2 eye hooks, small eye hooks here. One will go here for our spring to attach to. The other one will go back here, and that's what we'll tie our string to. So we need 2 of those. We have this hook here, 7/8" hook. That'll go into the bottom of the neck. That's where we can put a rubber band on it and on the base of our body to help hold it. I'm going to use a 1-inch ring. That'll come down here. And the ring, I like the ring better because you can use your left or right hand. You can use your finger or your thumb, whichever you prefer, and it works really great that way. We're going to use a 3-inch spring, and that attaches to this hook that's up here, and that attaches to the top of the mouth. That's what pulls the mouth closed. This block will go in here that we attach the mouth to, and we'll glue it, and then we'll drill a hole and put a screw in each side to hold it. So once you get your mouth adjusted and where you want it, then you need to put the block in there. We have a 1-inch, or yeah, 1/2-inch dowel, which goes back here. And your string will come up and over top this dowel and down through the neck. And we have a 24-inch piece of nylon string that we use for the mouth. So everything you need to finish your head we have right here. So we'll start working on the mouth, which is your most important feature. Is you need to make sure that mouth is working properly before you seal everything up. You don't want it catching on the sides or anything. So we'll be working on the mouth, and then whatever we have to take out in here so we get the mouth to open and close. Get enough distance on that. So everything you need to finish your head we have right here. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.